number 23. Number 23 says evaluate each expression. E is equal to 2, F is equal to -3, G is equal to 4, U is equal to 0, V is equal to -5, W equals -1. We could just plug the numbers in, but I do want us to practice distributing with variables, so we're going to just start right there. So first, we get F, W, E, then we get plus F, V, plus G divided by E. From here, we do need a common denominator. The common denominator is going to be E. So between these two, I have to multiply by an E. So let's just do that. Just go a little fun here. So we get right here. If we multiply the denominators by E, we can multiply the numerators by E because we want a common denominator. So we get right here F, W, E times E divided by E plus F, V times E divided by E plus G over E. Very cool. So from here, we can make a common denominator of E. So we get FWE squared, because E times E is E squared. You add the exponents. Plus FVE, just keep the order, plus G, all divided by E. So we have a common denominator now. Really can't simplify from here. Been having kind of fun with that. And you didn't have to do it this way, you could have just plugged it in, but this is good practice if you're watching it. So F is -3. So anytime you see an F, it's going to be a -3. Then we have a W. Our W is -1. No others. Then we have an E. E is equal to 2. We have a V. V stands for -5. G would be our last one. So G is represented by 4. So from here, we get -3 times -1 times 2 squared plus -3 times -5 times 2 plus 4. And look at that, we even forgot the E. So the E is green on the bottom. All divided by 2. So let's just put the 2's. Let's get that. Represented by the green. Good. Now we'll start with the front. F is equal to -3. Any others? Nope. Then we have W, which is a -1. Any other W's? Nope. Then we have V, which is represented by -5. Then we have a G, which is equal to 4. So first, let's do the exponent, which is going to give us a 4. 3 times 1 gives us a +3, because 2 negatives. So 3 times 4 gives us 12. Then we have -3 times -5, which is +15. 15 times 2 gives us 30. We add 4 to it. And we divide it by 2 at the end. We can divide the entire thing by 2 to make it easier if you really wanted. So we get 6 plus 15 plus 2. Look at that. So much easier because you do 12 divided by 2, which is 6. 30 divided by 2, 15. And then 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 plus 15, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. So number 23 simplified is 23.